Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the postpartum psychosis or the puerperial psychosis. So, puerperial psychosis is any mental disorder which is coming after the delivery or into the puerperial period, because giving birth to a baby brings many changes to the mother and brings very many ups and downs in the emotion and mood into to the mother. So, puerperial psychosis, severe mental illness sometimes start abruptly in days after childbirth. This become or known as the puerperial psychosis or postpartum psychosis. तो सीवियर मेंटल इलनेस विच विल डेवलप आफ्टर द childbirth उसको हम बोलते हैं puerperial or the postpartum psychosis. The term psychosis implies the presence of manic symptoms, stupor or catatonia, confusion, disorder of will and self, delusion and hallucination. These symptoms or the psychosis terms presents all of these symptoms like mania, stupor, catatonia, hallucination and delusion. Observed in about 0.14 to 0.26% of mothers, and onset is relatively sudden, usually within the 4 days of delivery. So after 4 days of delivery, sudden onset can occur of postpartum psychosis or puerperial psychosis. What are the risk factor of puerperial psychosis? The risk factor of puerperial psychosis are the one who is having the history of bipolar disorder, the one who is having the postpartum psychosis in previous pregnancy, she is on risk of the puerperial psychosis, the one who is having the history of schizoaffective disorder or schizophrenia, then history of family history of postpartum psychosis or bipolar disorder. If her family is having any past history of postpartum psychosis, so that mother is on risk factor to have a past postpartum psychosis. First pregnancy, discontinuation of psychiatric medication for pregnancy. So these are the risk factor for the postpartum psychosis. What are the clinical feature? The clinical feature or clinical symptoms of the postpartum psychosis are fear, restlessness, confusion followed by hallucination and delusion and the disorientation, suicidal tendency or the violent thoughts, erratic and unusual behavioral, rapidly changing mood from extreme sadness to very energetic. So these are the clinical features. She will have fear, she will be restless, she may develop the suicidal tendency, sometime her mood will be very dull and sometime her mood will be very energetic, usually erratic and unusual behavior. So these are the clinical feature of puerperial psychosis. Management. So postpartum psychosis or puerperium psychosis is comes under a medical emergency. So it is very important to consult a psychiatric urgently, hospitalize the patient urgently. Then we can give the antipsychotic drug like chlorpromazine 150 mg and stat and 50 to 150 mg 3 times a day started. Sublingual estradiol result is the significant improvement. Electroconvulsive therapy is considered if it remains unresponsive or in depressive psychosis. So, if the postpartum psychosis or the puerperium psychosis remain unresponsive, we can move towards the electroconvulsive therapy, or in the depressive psychosis, we can give the ECT. Lithium is indicated in manic depressive psychosis, and in that case breastfeeding is contraindicated. So this is all about the puerperial psychosis. If you have any question, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.